it's going to be a glorious event. We're trying to do both at the same time. Yes, before my double nature begins to show. Whew. Yes, girl. I'm pregnant now. About a month and 1 week old. Yes. Thank you. So as I speak to you, Chris and I are on our way for the wedding shopping. We can't afford to forget anything or leave anything to late minute plans. So I'm going to call you the moment we return. Okay? Okay, baby. Take care, sweetheart. Bye-bye.
Honey, I'm here.
Let me see you.
You look good.
You do too. You look smart.
And I smart and handsome for my lady.
Very handsome.
Shall we?
Yes, we
Alright, babe. Okay. So, honey, which of the mall are we going to?
The new city mall.
Oh.
I believe we can get everything we want from there.
True.
It's much better than going from place to place.
Oh, okay. That's true. So who were you on the call with when I came to join you in the parlor?
My ex.
Really? And you took his call? So you still even have his phone number? Babe, it's not funny now. It's not funny.
I was on the phone with my friend Stella. What ex? You should see your face.
Babe. Won't you put on your seatbelt?
It will stop. The beat will stop. We're almost at the mall. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Jesus.
Chris, what really happened? How did this happen? Eh?
An oncoming vehicle lost control and I was trying to avoid a crash and ran into an electric pole. I sustained minor injuries because I was on my seat belt. But you know, she crashed into the glass and particles of it got into her eyes.
No. Why now? Why now? I just got out on phone with her. I was coming to meet you people at the mall. That was when I saw that your car was an accident. I stopped and noticed that you and Annabelle was badly injured.
I don't know why this is happening now.
No, this is not fair. Not now. Doctor.
How are you doing, Chris?
Doctor, I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm just worried about my fiancée.
Alright. Don't worry yourself. She will be fine.
Doctor, please do everything possible for her to get well.
Please.
Just come with me to my office.
Okay.
Don't worry, go. I'll be with her. Go. Annabelle. Hey, God.
Chris, you're lucky. Yours is just minor injury, but your fiancé sustained a very serious injury. Though we are doing our best. As I speak to you now, radiological test is being carried on her. And soon we are going to ascertain the parts which are affected and we'll commence our treatment immediately.
Doc, I've heard what you said. Please do everything humanly possible to get her well. We are planning our wedding. I wonder why this is happening now.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chris. You know, such is life. Man proposes and God disposes. In a few hours, the result will be out. And we commence treatment immediately. Just go to the ward, relax yourself. Soon, everything will be fine, okay? Let me go to the examination room and see what they are doing over there.
Okay, thank you very much, doctor. Thank you, please. I'm counting on you, please.
No. Your fiancée is pregnant. Are you aware of that?
Yeah, she told me.
Oh, good. And again, actually, she will be needing an eye surgery. Her retina was affected.
Doctor, if there's any operation that needs to be done, can it just start, please? Money is not a problem.
For that reason, I have to call my colleague, who is an ophthalmologist.
Just tell me what we have to do and what the cost is.
Okay. All right. And actually, that is the hospital account.
Okay.
You have to deposit that amount over there because we are commencing the whole thing tonight.
No problem, doctor. I would do this as fast as possible.
Right.
Please just do everything humanly possible for her.
Just count on us.
Thank you. Let me quickly go on to this.
You're welcome.
Yeah, Chris, what's up? She's sleeping right now.
Oh, okay.
Were you able to talk to the doctor?
Yes. Yes, I was.
Okay, so what did he say?
He said she needs optical operation and it has to be done tonight.
Optical operation? Oh, wow. Okay. Chris, do you have this money?
No, but Annabelle does.
Do you have access to her account then?
Of course, she's my fiancée.
Then what are we waiting for?
I'm just wondering why is all this happening now.
Gosh.
Our wedding is just by the corner. I'm even wishing I'm the one on that bed and not her.
Come on, don't sound like that. What are you saying? What has happened has happened. You can't change it. Chris, all you need to do now is just to go home, have a beautiful rest because you need it. And then you can do this deposit later.
Who'll stay with her?
The nurses are there to stay with her. It's their job. Or are you now a doctor? Come on. Or you want to teach them their job? Come on, Chris, let's go. And please, cheer her up. She's not dead. Come on, let's go. Okay, you just need to relax, alright? Let me go into the kitchen and see if there's something for you to eat.
Oh.
If there's none, I'll get something fixed for you, alright?
Yeah, it's just this headache. I need to just shower and eat something.
It's okay, that's what you actually need, alright? But let me just go get something for you to eat.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
Stella.
Yes?
Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you very much.
for what? It's alright. Don't worry. I'll be with you shortly.
She's your best friend.
Come on, Chris. I'm doing this for her, okay? Not for any other thing. Come on.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I just feel guilty about this whole thing.
It's fine. Don't feel guilty. See, you've been locked up since, okay? I just want to calm your nerves. Right? Come on. How long have you been standing here?
Not too long.
Okay, do you need anything?
No, I just can't sleep. I don't know, I don't feel comfortable. I'm sure the operation must be ongoing now and I'm still here in the house.
It's okay, just relax, okay? Relax.
Are you sure?
Yes, just go back to sleep, alright? The doctors will do what they're supposed to do. Like tomorrow,
I'm supposed to be in the hospital with her.
It's fine, just relax, don't worry. Just go back to sleep, Chris. We'll go there tomorrow morning, alright? Don't worry, Chris, everything is fine.
Okay.
Just try and catch some sleep, okay? What was that? I and Chris making out? Oh no. Was he planning? No, it's not possible. Hey, what kind of dream is this? Oh no. Stella, come off it. Oh no, it's not possible.
I'm sorry. The truth remains that your fiancée may not be able to use her eyes again to see. The injury actually affected the cells of the retina on the optic nerves, which the ophthalmologist tried all his best to reverse the whole thing, but he couldn't.
Doctor, please. Can you explain to me in simple terms? Are you trying to tell me that Animal can't see again?
See, it's the truth. You know, the injury affected the retina of the eyes. The retina of the eyes, its role is to take light from the outside through the optic nerve to the brain for the vision to be, to be confirmed by the person. I don't know how to explain better, but we have tried. She can't make use of her eyes again. I'm sorry.
Okay, Doc. Is there nothing that can be done, even if it means flying her abroad?
Like I said, nothing. And if you believe in miracle, then you can go on and fly her abroad.
Stella? Yeah, I'm here. I really still don't believe I'm the one here in this hospital.
It's okay. All that matters is that you had a successful operation. And we thank God for that.
Where is Chris? Is he still with the doctor?
That's what he says. Oh, here he is.
Sweetheart, how are you feeling?
My head is still banging a little.
Oh, it's fine, you'll be okay, right?
Chris, what did the doctor say?
He said in a couple of weeks she'll be fine and we'll be free to go.
Oh, thank God.
What did you say? A few weeks? What exactly is few weeks now? I mean, did he say a week, 2, 3 or more?
Babe,
I need specifics.
Babe, he was not specific. He was not specific,
Why not?
but I think 3 or 4 weeks max.
Oh my God.
You'll be fine.
That's a long time.
You'll be fine.
That's a really long time.
Babe, I know how you feel, but just be calm, okay?
Exactly, you'll be fine. I'm here with you. See, I'm not going anywhere. Before you know it now, 2 weeks has gone and passed.
No.
You'll be fine, okay? Chris, why are you crying? What is it?
Nothing.
You can't can't tell me there is nothing wrong and you're crying. Come on now. What is it? Talk to me now. Huh? Don't tell me you lied in there. Okay, please. Now tell me the truth. What did the doctor actually say to you? Please. Come on, talk to me now. What did he say?
Please don't tell her anything.
I will not. I promise. I will not. Just talk to me.
The doctor said.
Yes.
The doctor said she can use her eyes again.
What? Jesus!
Please just keep it to yourself until the time is right, or perhaps maybe the doctor will tell her.
Wait, you mean Annabelle will not see for the rest of her life?
I wish I believed in miracles.
Oh, jeez. No, this is wrong. This is bad. What? Oh no, she doesn't deserve this now.
Okay.
Easy there. Yeah, sit.
Thank you.
Welcome home.
It feels good to be back.
So, what can I prepare for you? Let me just wash and get it done. What would you like to eat?
Tea.
No, you don't say that. You should eat something. Just coming back from the hospital.
Ah. Okay. Tea. Maybe-
Just tea?
Yes, a cup of warm tea.
No, you should eat something. Tea? Is that what you want?
Yes.
I'll get it done. Just give me some. Give me a minute.
Alright. Welcome back, baby.
Thank you.
So good to have you back home.
Feels good to be home too.
Your friend has been of great help to us. You should thank her so much.
Yeah, she's more than a friend and a sister to me.
I know.
She's a nice person.
She is indeed.
I appreciate her.
So good
Is
to
your
have
phone
her.
ringing?
Yeah.
Who is it?
Let me check. Oh, it's the doctor.
Oh. He probably wants to know if we're home now.
Yeah, let me just...
Please speak.
Yes, okay. Yeah, hello, doctor. Oh, yes, we just go back home. Thank you. Thank you so much, doctor. Thank you for everything you've done. Yeah, really appreciate it. Okay, bye. Yeah. He sent his regards if we're home already.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here.
Okay, easy. Yeah, it is.
Please help her out. Okay?
Yes. Easy.
Easy.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Whew. So you what will you eat now?
I'm fine. I'm good.
You're good.
Thank you.
Of course. You're welcome. You know you would do same for me. I actually have a suggestion.
Okay.
I think you both need a maid that will help you out with your chores in this house. You know she's not fit anymore to do some things and she needs help.
That's true. That's a wonderful suggestion. Baby, what do you think?
I agree. But where do we find someone?
Oh, exactly where?
Not to worry. I'll just go in search and I'll make sure I get one done for you guys.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you so much, Stella. We really
It's
appreciate it.
fine. Come on, Faith. See, Annabelle will do more. I'm serious.
I know.
Good to see you back home, Annabelle.
I'm happy to be back home.
Yeah, merci.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, easy. Yeah, yeah.
I'm okay.
Just hold on. How long will this continue? This is just the first night together and I'm tired. What type of destiny is this? Is it her bad luck or mine? No, it can't be my bad luck. She's the bad luck. Does it mean I'm going to be married to a blind woman? No, God forbid. This is not what I wished for.
Chris?
Hmm?
Are you thinking about me?
I'm okay. I'm just tired.
I may be blind, but I can tell you're worried.
I'm not worried. Look, can you just sleep and let me think about my life?
Think about your life. Why are you sounding that way?
Do you want me on this bed? Or do you want me to go to the guest room to sleep?
Well, I want to drink tea.
We just had rice this evening.
Yes, but I want to drink tea. It will put me to sleep. Please? Help me.
Yeah, oh, okay. Alright, come on.
Thank you. That was fast.
Yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah, now, here it is. Okay. Here.
Thank you.
Yes.
There's no sugar in this tea.
There's little sugar in the house.
Meaning we're run out of sugar?
Exactly.
You should go and buy. I can't drink tea without sugar.
Just manage it like that.
I can't.
Do you want me to go prepare something else for you? Or would you just manage the tea like that?
Chris? Are you talking to me that way because I am blind?
And are you trying to turn me to a houseboy because you're blind? Please manage the tea like that. Please just manage it like that.
Well, Annalena, Chris, this is Obi. She's well experienced and she's very good. If you wouldn't mind, I have brought her for her to help you out in your chores, at least to be your maid here.
Obiageli,
Yes, ma.
that is the full meaning of your name?
Yes, ma.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma.
How old are you?
I'm 26, ma.
Where are you from?
Okija.
Okija.
Chris, is there any problem?
No problem. There's just this saying about people from Okija.
Honey, come on, that's just a story.
Okay.
Obi,
Ma?
welcome to my house.
Thank you, ma.
As you can see, I am handicapped. I had an accident some time ago and it cost me my sight. My fiance and I are in need of a domestic staff who will clean, cook, and run errands for us. We would like to hire your services and pay you the sum of 50,000 naira per month. as salary. Does that sound like something you can do?
Yes, sure. Why not, ma'am? Thank you so much, ma. Thank you.
You have to live with us within this house in one of the guest rooms.
Oh, sure, ma. That's no problem, ma.
Okay.
Can you iron clothes?
Yes, perfectly well, sir.
Okay, because I like my clothes well ironed.
No problem.
Honey, you're the one that can see her.
Mm-hmm.
Is she alright? How does she look?
She's fine. She's good. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I'm actually very happy you both like her. Like I said, she's well experienced and she's a very good person. Obi,
Yes.
this is my friend's house. Her name is Annabelle, like I told you. And here is her fiancé, Chris. Please take care of her home and assist her in anything she wants. Okay?
Auntie Stella, I will not do anything to disappoint you. I'll take care of her very well.
Thank you. I like to hear that.
Thank you so much, Stella. Okay. Why don't you bring your thing? Let me show you your room, okay?
Okay.
Okay, baby. Stella is here. Right back.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma. God bless you, ma.
Bless you too. Sarah, thank you. You're welcome for bringing somebody under such short notice.
It's fine. Anything for you, my darling.
Now that we have a maid, I think my problem is lesser. That is just by the way. I have to plan for my life now.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do.
Why can't you just stay one place? Why can't you just stay one place knowing you can't see? If you fall down now and break your head now, what will people say? They would not know that it's just you that refuse to stay one place. Stay one place, this woman. Why can't you just go back to the bed and rest? Let me think.
Chris, this is the second time you are sounding this way since we returned from the hospital. Why?
Why? Why? Why? Because I never planned to marry a blind woman. You're pregnant for me and you're blind. I'm not happy about it.
Is it now my fault that I am blind?
Oh, it's my fault. Okay, it's my fault, eh? How many times did I tell you to put on your seatbelt and you refuse to put it on, saying it does not matter? Is it my fault? And now look at what it has cost us. Please just go back to bed and rest, please. Let me think. Put on your seatbelt. You refuse to put on your seatbelt, saying it does not matter.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. Bend of the road. It's not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza. Emegi ya mogadigima. Remember, life habits up and down. What you sow is what you reap.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, please. Hey. Don't be afraid. I didn't mean to scare you. I like you. For the fact you come from Okija should have been enough reason for me to send you back. One boy from Okija stole from me.
I'm sorry, sir. But I don't steal. I promise I don't steal.
Look, I know. Okay? I like you. My fiancée lost her sight months ago and I've been the one carrying her about and it's tiring. I'm tired. It's draining me. I think it's time I have to plan for my life. Look, I can't marry a blind woman.
I'm sorry about that, sir.
I like you. Okay. Do you have a serious boyfriend? I mean, I could be your serious boyfriend. Yeah. Who knows? You might actually be the one. Hey.
So I don't know.
Hey, look at me. I want you.
Please, sir. Sir, I don't know what to say. Sir, please stop. Sir, stop. I don't know. Sir.
What has come over Chris? Why is he acting up? Is it my fault that I got blind? I am not even treating him badly or making him to do what he does not want to do. There is a maid to handle the house chores. Why is he like this? God, please help me. I have no one. I want to see him as my everything. God, do not let me be put to shame. Help me, God. This is getting hard, and it's just the beginning. I wanted to talk to you. I want to apologize to you. Chris, if I have wronged you in any way, knowingly or unknowingly, please forgive me. I am sorry. Don't blame me for this condition. I hate that I'm in this condition. Don't blame me for it. I want us to go back to the way we were. I want things to return to normalcy. Remember how we used to be? Chris?
Be careful what you do. ONENE, be careful what you do. Bend of the road, it's not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza, emegi ya mogadigima. Remember, life habits up and down. What is so is what you read.
Morning, ma.
What goes around?
Yes, ma. How are you? I'm fine. Hope you slept well, ma.
Yes, I'm
Thank
you.
Yes. Thank you.
Honey, how are you?
Hi. Baby, you slept without cuddling me last night.
Well, as you can see, I'm not happy. I've just been thinking about how to go through because of your blindness, you know?
What? What do you mean? I don't understand.
What don't you understand? I've been thinking about the solution to this issue. But all you've been doing is just ask me questions and questions. Bobby, please just make the first.
Okay, sir.
Chris? Has he gone? Chris.
Be careful what you do. One man, be careful what you do. Bend of the road, it's not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza, emegi ya moga digima. Remember.
Alright. Congratulations. You are perfectly okay. Your sight is good. Take this. This is for temporary arrangements. Now wait. Congratulations. You are perfectly okay. Your sight is good now. Just open it gradually. They are gone. Come on. Come on, yeah. Gradually. Yeah. Don't force it.
I can see now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome.
Doctor, there's a favor that I need from you.
Yeah, what could that be?
I am an orphan. I lost my parents in a ghastly motor accident many years ago. I have no family member to call my own. My only uncle, who was supposed to be my family member, did his best to eliminate me so he can take over my father's properties. He failed woefully in all his attempts to kill me. Now here I am, alive, but lonely at heart. I have Chris and Stella, quite all right. But Chris, I have come to know, loves me a lot. He lives in my house and works in my company. The company I inherited from my late father. He wants to marry me. I'm willing to be his wife too. But before I proceed with the arrangements of marriage with him, I need to know if he genuinely loves me. I want to know if I can trust him.
All right. So, tell me, what do you want me to do?
That's the point. That's where I've been driving at. When Chris comes with Stella to pick me up, let them know that I lost my sight completely. Put the bandage back on.
I guess this is an expensive job.
Yes, one that is worth it. Please, I need you to help me achieve this. It's my only way of finding out if I can trust both of them. Please. Obi.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I trust you?
Of course you can, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As you have noticed, Obi, I lost my sight. But I am counting on you to become my eyes. I don't have a sister, but you and I can live in this house as sisters. Be my eyes. Watch over me. Watch around me. Watch out for me. Watch Chris for me. If Chris brings any lady into this house, be sure to let me know about it. Can you do that for me?
Yes, ma. Yes, I can.
Okay.
But ma, Oga Chris has been a really nice man. He has not done anything suspicious. And believe me when I say he's the best man for you.
Yeah, he really is. Thank you.
Thank you, ma. I'll be in the kitchen.
To the kitchen.
Yeah. I think I need to start dressing sexy for you. I need to stop wearing all these hairs. I want you to give me money so I can go and buy new clothes. Or maybe you take me shopping yourself.
If it's money, it's not a problem. Okay?
For real?
Of course. Don't worry, I'll take you go do your shopping, okay?
Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Baby, do you know that blind woman, she asked me to keep an eye on you. She said I should report to her everything you do in this house. Can you imagine?
She said that?
Yes.
That lady's a fool.
Big one.
She's such an ingrate. Did you know she wants to turn me to a houseboy because she's blind?
Can you imagine? And I'm sure that if she's the one in your position, she will bring men into this house.
Exactly. She's so jealous. I hate people that are so jealous.
Me too.
Baby, go and dress up, okay? Let me take you go do your shopping. Don't buy those sexy clothes. Alright, let's go.
Okay.
The food stuff are finished in the house, so I want to go to the market and get.
Okay. You can go.
I can go. I need your ATM. I don't have money.
I thought you had money.
You thought? Are you trying to insult me? You thought I had money?
Chris, I honestly thought I didn't mean to offend you.
We're not the one managing your dad's account before he became blind. After all the money are going to a private account. You thought I had money.
The drawer beside me has my ATM in it. Please take it.
You thought I had money.
Be careful what you do. One man, be careful what you do. Bend of the road, it's not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza, emegi ya moga digima. Remember, life habits up and down. What you sow is what you reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful.
What has come over Chris?
Mr. Chris,
Is it this girl or what? Does he hate the fact that I'm blind? So if I was actually blind, this is what I would have been going through? Men. Men will always be men. I am going to deal with Chris, and as for that maid, I will dig 10 feet beneath the floor and bury her alive. It's a promise.
Be careful what you do.
This is a joke.
Be careful what you do.
500,000 naira. Wait a minute. He said it's foodstuffs now. He said they are going to buy foodstuffs. What amount of foodstuff will you buy with 500,000 naira? Chris! No. What's happening with my money?
What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Mr. Chris, what is your problem?
Welcome.
Hey,
How did it go?
it went well. Sorry.
How much did you withdraw from the bank? Chris? Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
How much did you take from my account this afternoon?
I don't know. Why are you asking? Okay, fine. If you must know, 70,000.
Okay.
Are you fine? Are you okay?
I just needed to know.
Oh, okay. Let me freshen up upstairs.
Be careful what
Let me just go.
Be careful what you do. Bend of the road. It's not the end of the road. Makana ipi milonyaza. Emeki ya moga digima. Remember, life have it up and down. What you sow is what you reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful.
What are you trying to do?
Chris, I miss you. Since the accident, you haven't made love to me.
What is your problem?
Yes,
Mr. Chris,
that's because I'm not in the mood.
But I need you. I need the touch of a man.
Look, Annabelle, say, if you want a man, I could get you a man from outside.
Ah, what is that? Why are you talking like that?
Look, Annabelle, can you just let me sleep, please?
You use every excuse to turn me down. Why? What do I make out of this? Have you possibly gotten a girlfriend somewhere?
Are you accusing me?
I am not. But you know what I'm saying.
I have no idea of what you're talking about. Please, good night.
What goes around must surely comes around. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful, just remember.
I read something.
Never you bite the hand. Stop your ego.
Oh, what is this?
Come on, open it.
Okay.
Look, it says positive.
What is your problem?
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure that's the evidence, babe. And look, I am not going to abort it. I won't.
Babe, I'm not ready for this.
Why? Is Annabelle not pregnant for you too?
That was before the accident.
Baby, it's the
same thing. Or even better now. Look, I will not kill my baby. Oh. I will not. So get ready to be a father. Because I'm not going to commit murder. I won't.
Can we talk about this later? Okay.
Yes. But it better not be about an abortion. And I expect you to be excited about it.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do.
I believe the house and company documents are in this house. I will find it. I must find it.
Remember, life habit up and down. What you sow is what you reap. What goes around.
I told you about my condition. And you said we're going to talk about it. We still haven't talked.
You told me you're pregnant and you're not going to abort it.
True.
And I'm fine with it. Yes. The baby, this house, the company will be ours. But I just have to look for the document and find it. Okay? That's what is important right now.
Okay. But my love, you should have explained better. Don't worry. I'm sure you'll find those documents, okay?
I know those documents are in this house. I know it's in that room. And I must find it.
You'll see it. I'm positive. So smile for me. And our baby.
Chris has changed. He's no longer the man I used to know. He doesn't take care of me anymore. He talks to me anyhow. He gets angry at me over the slightest provocation. He has changed.
Annabelle, I don't think Chris has changed. Maybe he's stressed. See, relax. Don't worry. I'm sure he will come by. Okay?
Sister, good afternoon. Ma, you okay, right?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay, ma.
What's going on here? Where? Annabelle, why is Obi dressed like this? And Chris allows it in this house.
Like how? How is she dressed? I can't see.
With a very short thing that's almost showing her butt.
But you know I can't see, so I don't know what you're talking about.
I have to go. But before then, I will need to talk to her and show her her place in this house. What is all this? Hold on. I have to talk to this girl. What is going on? What's the meaning of this? Why are you dressed like this? Obi, you're supposed to be the housemaid here. And you're dressed like this? No, tell me, are you trying to seduce your boss? Or should I say your madam's fiancé?
No! How? No, ma. No, ma. I'm not trying to seduce anybody. I only wear these clothes because they are free. And I'm comfortable in them doing my house chores.
Do you hear yourself talk? You feel comfortable with this thing, with this rag, this short thing, doing your house chores. Obi, I am the one that brought you into this house. Please, I beg you in God's name, do not disappoint me.
No, ma, I can't.
Do not, because it will pain me.
No. I swear to God,
You came from a decent home, Obi. What is this? Act like one now. Hey, if you continue wearing this short thing in this house, honestly speaking, I will send you back to where I brought you from. And I'm serious.
No, ma. I will not disappoint you. I swear to God, I cannot disappoint you. I'm not trying to seduce anybody. I don't even know the meaning of seduction. It's you that is calling seduction in my ear now. Please, I'm not trying to seduce anybody.
You better not. You better not. Now go in there and change to something decent.
Okay. Rubbish. Okay, auntie, don't be angry.
Be careful. to do. Bend of the road, it's not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonya.
So Aniko has a trust fund of 100 million naira given to her by her father. And she didn't even let me know about it. Women are wicked. Hey.
Grace? Are you there?
Yes, I am here. Relaxing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Is Stella gone?
Yes, she just left.
Oh, okay. Come. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let me drop this for you.
Thank you.
Yes, sit down. Okay. I'm coming, okay? Let me just get a glass of juice.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Chris is going far. What is his plan with my house and company documents? I know he has seen the trust fund document too. What is he planning? To sell my house? Or to claim it? I never knew Chris could be this wicked. God, I thank you for all these revelations. I thank you for these perfect plans. Now I have found out Chris was the wrong man for me. I will be patient and watch him. This baby living inside me is my only reason why he's still around me. I will watch and follow every of his plan.
Chris, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry if I have wronged you. Forgive me. I still love you very much. I remember the way you used to love me too, before the accident. I want you to go back to that time and love me like that. Please. I realized that I ask a lot of questions lately, and that gets you really upset. I'm sorry. I'll try not to ask too many questions again. Just please forgive me and love me, and stop treating me badly. I've been crying a lot lately. I hate to cry. I hate to feel sad, depressed or lonely.
It's fine. I've heard what you said. Can we just sleep now?
Have you forgiven me?
Yes.
Okay. If you have truly forgiven me, make love to me.
So you want me to make love to you? That is why you ask me for forgiveness? That's the same thing they always say about women. You guys are never satisfied. You ask for forgiveness. And I forgive you. And now you're asking me to make love to you. And if I make love to you, next thing you ask me is to kill myself for you. Please, see, just sleep. Sleep.
Chris.
Good night, just sleep.
I'm your woman. Chris, please. Please.
Abby. Come.
Yes, ma.
Take this money. Buy me mineral, please.
Okay, mineral.
Are you back?
Yes, ma'am. Take this the mineral.
This is not what I want. I want malt.
But you said I should buy you mineral.
Oh, it's malt I had in mind. I'm sorry, I should have been specific. Please, return this. Get malt for me. Thank you. Sarah.
Annabelle, how are you, darling?
I'm fine.
Okay, good.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay, I'm here. You sent for me. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well.
Okay.
Please sit down.
I'm here. I'm sitting.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay. Easy.
Yes.
Should I help you?
Never mind.
Alright. Easy.
I got it. So,
I'm here.
take this.
Okay.
Take them to my lawyer. He knows what to do with them.
Is everything okay?
Yes. Don't let Obi to see it. Please, hide it in your bag.
Okay.
Hi,
Obi, how are you?
fine. Here's the malt. The lady said I'll come take your change later.
Oh, okay, no problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
Obi, what is this? I thought I've warned you not to wear such kind of dress in this house. What is going on? What? Obi! Annabelle, what is going on in this house? Annabelle, what is going on?
I don't know. I can't see. I don't know.
Be careful what you do.
Hey,
Be careful what you do.
how are you?
I'm not fine, babe.
What is this? What happened?
Exactly, what am I putting on? I cannot find my clothes or my shoes anymore. I can't find any of the nice things you bought for me.
What do you mean that you can't find your clothes and shoes? I don't understand.
Exactly, me too. I do not understand. I had my bags. I came out from my room to wear something really nice for you as usual. I can't find my clothes.
What's going on?
I don't know. Come and check my room. I can't find anything. I'm not joking. These are the only clothes left.
I don't understand. What happened?
I don't know. I can't find those new things you bought for me again. I can't find the short gowns and the short skirts.
How? Did anyone come visiting?
Yes, Stella.
Stella. Did you by any chance leave the house?
Yes. The blind woman asked me to go get her malt.
That means Stella knows what happened to these clothes.
I thought so too. But I saw her leaving. She left with just her handbag. I don't know.
You saw Stella leaving?
Yeah, she left with just her handbag. Now all the clothes she bought for me are not here again. What am I going to wear? Just these old clothes from the village.
Baby, it's okay. Look, we'll get you new ones, okay? I'll get you new ones. Alright?
Why are they stealing from me?
This is confusing.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do.
Bobby said some of our clothes are missing. I don't understand how clothes could just vanish from the house. And she told me Stella was the only person that came visiting.
What does that mean? Is she trying to say that Stella stole her clothes?
No. What I'm trying to understand is, did her clothes grow legs and just leave this house just like that?
I don't know. I really don't know. It makes me speechless. By the way, I always wanted to ask, how far have you gone with our wedding arrangements?
Not too far. I want to go out and see a friend.
Oh.
Yeah, see you soon when I get back.
Okay. God will punish you for the pains you're inflicting on me. God will punish you with this blood.
This is some short time. Okay. Yeah, that's it for me.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. The end of the road is not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza emegi ya mogadigima. Remember, life have it up and down. What you sow is what you reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful.
Have you given the document to my lawyer? Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
What is your problem? Mr. Christie one the book so boogie. Ina miale. Ina woyale. Ogene buso boogie okay. Asimo gene buso boogie Kai malono. Gino biagelia kuo. What so you will reap. What goes around must surely comes around. What goes around must surely comes around. Just remember they had that baby.
I don't understand. What is happening in this house? I thought Madam is blind. But the way she died this number now and make up, I'm not sure this woman is blind though. What is happening in this house? Okay, now look at the way Oga is treating Obi, a common maid, so precious. Eh? Treating her so nice, as if she's his new wife. That girl fine, you see her big bum bum. Hey, Jesus Christ. And I'm very sure this man will be sleeping with this object. He'll be sleeping with her. But I think, what am I going to do now?
Let's see how she will steal this one. Or anybody will get to steal this. Well,
Thank you, my love.
make sure you keep it well.
You'll be a good father to our baby.
I know. Look, soon the house and the company will be ours, okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Let's go.
What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Mr. Chris, what is your problem? Mr. Christie one the book get the so boogie. Ina miale, ina woyale. Ogene buso boogie okay. Asimo gene buso boogie Kai malono. Gino biagelia kuo. What so you will reap.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Thank you, baby.
Oh, babe, this is fine.
I always...
Babe, oh, come here. This is so...
You like it?
I love it.
I always want to look good for you, my love.
No, you look amazing, babe.
Thank
I
you
feel
so
like eating you right now.
Stop!
Christ. God, I'm trying to be sent to Chris, you know? You look so good. You look so good. Have you checked the others?
Yeah, I have.
And the
Oh,
fit?
good.
I heard voices. Chris?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Do you need anything?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me some music.
Just take it. Yes. Okay.
What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around.
Is this fine?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Why don't you just relax? Okay. Let me go have a bath.
Okay.
I'll be with you soon.
Okay.
All right.
Mr. Chris, what is your problem? Mr. Chris, the one the book getting so boogie. Ina miale, ina woyale, magene bun so boogie oh okay. Asi magene bun so boogie oh. Time alone, you know what so.
You look amazing.
You've said that several times.
I'm not tired of saying it. Like eating you up right now.
Thank you. All thanks to you, my love.
I know. I want to have my bath. Okay?
Now?
Yeah, just wait for me.
Okay. I will come watch you bathe then.
You would watch me beat?
Why not? I'll also help you scrub your back.
Okay.
Okay, let's go, baby.
Chris? Are you there?
Yes, I'm waiting. I'll be out soon.
Okay. Are you done now?
Yes, I am.
What is... It feels like there's someone else here. I feel a presence other than you. Who is that?
No, nobody. Just me. I just came up from the bathroom. Just me. Yeah. Do you need anything?
No.
Oh.
I just want to lie down and relax a bit.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. Okay.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. Bend of the road. It's not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonasa. Emeki ya moga digi.
Are you looking for something?
Yes.
Is that...
It's not possible. The document of my friend I kept here for easy access. I can't find it anymore.
How?
I don't know. Do you happen to see it?
I can't see, I'm blind.
Forget it.
Where exactly did you keep it?
I kept it.
Kept it. Come on, Tim.
All the documents for the compound and the company and the trust fund I told you about are missing.
How's that possible?
I don't know. I don't know.
What do you mean all the documents for the trust fund, everything is gone?
I can't find it where I kept it. That's what I mean.
Look. Babe. I'm sure whoever took my clothes also took your documents.
Who knows? Who could be that person? It's only one lady that's in this house.
Stella. Yes! Stella is the only one that has been to this house. Stella!
Yes, you've said it before, but how could Stella come to this house and just go and take a document from your drawer? How?
Yeah, right. What's going on? What's going on? Babe, are you sure you dropped them where? Or maybe you took them out? Or are you sure you've not misplaced them? I don't know.
What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Mr. Chris, what is your problem? Mr. Chris, the one the book get the so boogie. Ina miale, ina woyale. Again, ebun so boogie. Okay.
How can I see it? How can I see it in her room? I did not keep it there.
First, you said her clothes got missing. Now it's documents.
It's the same thing I'm trying to ask. What are things getting missing in this house? Eh? What are things getting missing ever since the day Stella came to this house? Things have been getting missing in this house.
Excuse you? Ever since who? You mean Stella, my friend, the same one you've known for a long time, that comes here for a long time, is suddenly the one behind what? Please, please. You can have wild imaginations, but do not accuse the innocent.
Who is innocent? Look, you never can tell. Nobody's innocent here. It's possible that it's Stella.
Biaobi.
Yes?
The woman in question is the reason you are living in this house with us. So what are you saying?
I know. I'm not saying she took my clothes or the documents. I'm only saying that she shouldn't be an exception. Yes.
Okay. Why don't you two fulfill all righteousness by going to our room to check for it?
The chair's over there.
Be careful what you do. ONENE, be careful what you do. Bend of the road is not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza, emegi ya moga digima. Remember, life have it up and down. What you sow is what you reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Mr. Chris, what is
I don't understand. This is the same drawer. I saw the documents and I kept it back.
Then why is it not in the drawer? It's not here now.
Someone must have taken it.
Could it be Ojo the gate man?
How? What's Ojo's business with documents? It makes no sense now. How can Ojo live there and come into the house and take documents?
I don't know, babe. I'm just saying that no one should be an exception. It's possible. So where's the document? It's really important.
This doesn't make sense. What's going on?
So what are we going to do?
What's going on? Annabelle, did Stella enter the room when she came to the house?
No. She sat here in the living room with me until it was time for her to leave and Obi saw her off to the gate.
What's going on? I'm confused. How come my documents just vanish like that in this house?
And my clothes too.
That means me too, I might vanish one day. With the way things are vanishing in this house, what do I make out of it? Who is vanishing them? Chris,
You and I have lived in this house for a long time and nothing ever vanished. What is this nonsense?
I don't understand. So are you trying to say I'm the one stealing everything in this house? Will I steal my own clothes?
Me, I don't know what I'm trying to say or think. I just don't know. I don't know.
Be careful what you do. ONENE, be careful what you do. Bend of the road, it's not the end of the road. Makana
What is all this? What's happening? Everything I planned was going fine and suddenly this? So where do I start from again?
Baby, you need to calm down. Perhaps it's time we get rid of her.
Now? Oh, no. We still have to find those documents.
But the documents are missing. And we're not sure of what will get missing again.
The problem is, even if we get to forge the house document, the company and all, and get a lawyer to sign them, what about the trust fund? If we get rid of her, how would we get the money? To be gone forever.
So what's your plan?
Let's be patient. I'm sure those documents are in this house.
And if you don't find them? We need to do something.
What goes around must surely comes around.
No, not again. Ah! I'm sure I kept the money here now. I just kept the money here, just...
Grace? Are you on the phone? I heard you talking. What is it?
I kept money in the drawer here. I can't find it anymore.
You kept money in the drawer?
I just said it now. Why asking me? What sort of question is that?
Sorry.
Come, what's going on in this house? Come, this stealing has to stop. Whoever is stealing in this house should stop it. Should stop this stealing. Excuse me.
It's not like we have a thief in the house, do we? Where is clean this? I should stop it. Go and find your money, Oga. Go and find it in the place where it is.
Obi, what's going on in this house? The money I kept upstairs before I left is missing. And you and I know that Annabelle did not take it. And nobody came visiting this time. So what's going on in this house? Where's my money?
My love. What's going on? I didn't see any money.
You didn't see any money?
Yes! Of course I didn't
left
see
this
your
house
money.
with money upstairs and I cannot find it anymore. What's going on in this house?
My love, why would I want to steal from you? Look, you can search everywhere. Check my bag, check my clothes, everything. You bought them from me. I have no reason to steal from you.
Okay, no problem. We'll find out.
For real, you don't trust me, babe? I can never steal from you, my love. I won't. Why would I want to take your money when you give me...
What is this?
What? I don't know. But, no. I didn't take any money. I swear, babe, I didn't take any money. I didn't take any money. This is not...
You have the guts to steal from me. You have the guts to steal from me.
Yes, I didn't take any money.
You didn't see the money? What's going on?
Nothing's going on.
Abby, why are you crying? What is it? Abby, why are you crying?
How did that money get to my bag? What is going on in this house? My clothes? The documents? And now the money in my bag? Someone is behind this.
Obi, why are you crying?
Nothing.
Nothing, and you're crying. What is the problem?
Ojo, please. Please, just leave me alone, please.
I should leave you alone. A beautiful maid like you cannot be crying. And a handsome gate man like me will just leave you alone. So it is better you tell me. Wait, did Oga beat you? Or did Madam say something bad to you?
Ojo, don't let me descend my anger on you. Just get out. Go. Go and mind your business. Leave me alone.
You mean I should go? Girl, since you don't want to tell me, you know what? Just cry and die alone. But remember, a problem shared is a problem half solved. Tell me, CHINEMELUM, a beautiful maid like you can be crying in this household.
Ojo, get out.
I should get out.
Get lost. Just get out. Stop talking out my back. Get out.
I should get lost.
Yes.
Okay.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. Bend of the road is not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza emegi ya mogadigima. Remember, life has it.
You sure you're not the one who put the money there?
Baby, I swear I'm not the one.
I cannot steal from you. I think someone is trying to set me up. I don't know.
Then who could it be? Who's trying to set you up? Look, I don't want to talk about this again, okay? If you're the one who took the money, please don't do it again. I've forgiven you, okay?
You sure?
Look, come. You know we have a plan. We plan to get married, take over this house, the company and all. But some unforeseen circumstances are just trying to work against us. And we won't allow it. Okay? Come. Stop crying. Stop crying, okay? I forgive you.
Are you sure, baby?
Of course, I do. I love you.
I love you too.
Is that why you're crying? It's okay? Okay.
Baby.
Huh?
I wanted to ask you for a favor. I don't know if you approve of it.
You know I'll do anything for you. What is it?
My younger sister wants to come stay with us while she writes her exam.
Is that a problem? So come, when?
Tomorrow, because the exam is on Saturday. If you say yes, she'll come tomorrow.
That's fine, let her come around. I will talk to her about it, that's no problem.
Sure?
You know I'll do anything for you.
Okay, baby. Baby, I swear I didn't take your money. I
It's
can't
okay,
steal from you.
it's okay. I forgive you, okay? Alright. Stop crying.
Thank you.
Why are you calling me?
Because I want you.
Can't you wait till tomorrow?
No, I need you now. No. I can't. I want you beside me.
I know I want you to.
Look, you know my pregnancy is growing and I need some massage. Come sit.
Okay. I'll just stay with you for a while, okay? and go back upstairs. You know she's upstairs.
Okay.
Love you.
So, thank you for telling me.
That's fine. Baby. I have to go back to my room.
Why?
You know, I need to get up to the room. Let me see if I can help her in case she wants to use herself.
Chris, are you still in love with that blind woman? Because I've told you, let's get rid of her. You said no. And it's beginning to seem as though it's not just about the document. Maybe you still have feelings for her.
Damn, don't be silly. Ever since she got blind, she has been dead in my heart.
Baby, then if she's dead in your heart, don't go, please. Look, if she falls and dies, it's to our advantage, please.
Baby,
Don't go, please.
look, I want you to understand me, okay? We still need our life to get what we want, okay? Okay. Let's go back to the room, alright?
No, please don't go, please. Please.
Baby, I have to go back to the room, okay? Don't worry, I'll see you in the morning. Chill, no, I'll see you in the morning.
Please don't go, please.
I'll see you in the morning.
Chris.
Be careful what you do.
The gate.
What is your name now? You not get name?
Anita.
Anita. So who you come dey find for here?
My sister.
Who is your sister?
Hey.
Tell me now, who is your sister here? Because my madam there, they black. You they fair. So who are you? Who is your sister?
Okay, Annabelle.
Oh, to let her in now. She's my sister.
Oh, Obi, now your sister.
What goes around?
Me waka. Oh, yeah, go inside. Obi say waka. Me waka. No wahala.
Look at you. How are you? Oh, you look good.
Mr. Chris,
Come here. Okay,
what's your problem? Mr. Chris,
Come here. So, this is my sister I told you about.
Oh, hi! How was your journey down here? Hope it was fine.
Yes.
What's your name?
My name is Anita.
Your sister is indeed beautiful too.
Of course, beauty runs in our family.
Okay, I heard. Why don't you take her to your room?
Sure. Come on,
okay.
let's go in. Look at this girl, oh. Hey, come on in.
comes around. Be careful. Just remember, they had that video.
My sister, now that you are here, I need to give you updates on everything going on in this house. You see, in this house, I am no longer a housemaid, but I am now Oga's wife. Yes! Oga's wife-to-be is blind. So me and Oga, we are planning something huge. Yes.
What?
Love being by my side. Didn't get married before she got an accident and lost her sight. Guess the good part now.
What?
I am pregnant for a girl.
Wow.
Yes.
Like this, you're pregnant.
The blind woman is also pregnant. But her pregnancy does not matter. My pregnancy matters more.
That is not good, oh sister.
Look, let me tell you the big thing that we're planning. Me and Oga, we are planning on taking over her company and this house. And when we take over everything, we'll sell it, and then we'll travel abroad.
That is good, but she's a problem.
How?
Since she is blind, sis, you're a sharp girl. Kill her, and all this problem will be over. There's no need selling her things and run overseas.
My sister, I've thought about that too. And I've suggested it to my boyfriend too. But he says he needs her around so he can claim some trust fund. So for now, we're just allowing the blind woman to be alive.
Okay, that's fine. Anything, sis, I mean, anything you want me to do to help, I will.
Sharp girl, you're my sister again. When you say this is not nice, I can't say everything the world this one. Hello, what do you want to eat?
Good afternoon. What are you doing here?
I came in this morning. I have an exam on Saturday.
You're writing exam?
Yes.
Okay.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Obi, why didn't you tell me your sister was coming?
Oh, I told Oga Chris, and he said no problem. So I didn't find it necessary to tell you. I didn't want to disturb you at all.
My dear, you're welcome. Try and read your book so you can pass your exams, okay?
Look, avoid that woman. She's a very wicked person. That woman is trying all means possible to make sure my plans in this house do not succeed. Are you hearing me? Avoid her.
Really?
Yes! Avoid her. I know she's the one responsible for everything happening in this house, but I'm still trying to pinpoint my proof on her. Look, first of all, my new clothes went missing when she came to this house to visit. Annabelle asked me to go buy her malt. Secondly, Oga's documents vanished. Thirdly, Oga's money went missing. And somehow, I don't know how that money ended up in my bag. That woman is very wicked. She is very wicked. But before she frustrates me in this house, I will make sure I kill her first.
So Annabelle, how have you been?
As you can see, I'm fine.
I can see you're really fine. Meanwhile, thanks for letting Anita stay in your place for her exams, okay?
Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing at all. You know, if it wasn't for this condition, I would have done more and more and more.
I know.
So
Good
don't
to see you're the same.
It's good you're here, Stella.
Hi, Chris. How are you?
Keep your greetings. Thank God you're here. I have something to say. I'm not comfortable with your presence in this house. Strange things have been going on, things have been missing, and obviously it's not me taking them. Neither is it your blind friend here that is stealing.
Please, what is wrong with you? How dare you call your fiancé a blind woman? Are you high or something?
Hey, look, I don't care whatever you're talking about.
Will you shut up, Chris? What is it? You want me to get mad at you, Abby? Hey, Chris! What is all this rubbish going on here?
What has come over you?
Can you imagine?
I can see both of you are mad. Clothes have been missing in this house, documents and money. The next time any other thing get missing in this house, you will feel my wrath. Meanwhile, let me even go and hide the money I have in this house because I can smell thieves around.
What?
Annabelle, what has come over Chris?
Please,
Wait, is this what you've been going through in this house?
calm down, please. Please.
Short thing. That is how short people behave. I'm sure Chris must have given her the insult of her life. Stupid woman. Look, avoid her. My enemy is your enemy. Do not go and greet her again, except you want both of us to have issue, okay? All her plans must fail. I will kill her. Don't worry.
Life habits up and down. Want to soul. What goes around
Anita.
must surely comes around.
I thought you said your exam is on Saturday. Why are you not reading? I've never seen you read.
I've read already. It's not the one that I didn't read here that will make me fail.
Are you sure? I don't want you to fail though.
Mr. Chris,
That's alright then.
what's your problem?
Baby.
Mr. Chris, the one the book get the so boogie. In a miale,
You look good.
in a woyale, again it so boogie.
Have you told her about us?
Yes, I have. She likes you. And she thinks you're a great guy.
Oh. I like her too. She's great.
Excuse you? What do you mean you like her? Look, Chris, you're only allowed to like me alone. Am I not enough for you?
Hey, cheers. I didn't mean it that way. Not that kind of likeness. Like, she's cool.
No, I don't care.
Not that kind of likeness.
Don't like any other person. It's only me that you like. I don't like it.
Come, it's okay. It's
You
okay.
sure?
Yes, it's just you. Hmm?
So tell me, how are your plans going with the forged documents? Cool?
Yeah, I met with the lawyer and he said in 2 weeks' time, the house and the company documents will be ready.
For real?
Yeah, for real.
Oh, baby, that's good news.
So by breakfast, I want you to poison that food.
Okay.
Love you.
Love you so much.
Be careful,
Of course I will, baby.
Must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Just remember it comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful.
Did you put sugar in it?
Right. I forgot to put sugar, but I'll do it just now.
I like sugar.
Mr. Christy, one the book get it.
Right? I will give you a lot of sugar, don't worry. Plenty sugar.
In a woyale, again it was so boogie.
That's enough.
Where's my fiance?
Oh yeah, he's coming. He's coming. And your sister? Yeah.
Surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Just remember they had that video. Never you bite the hand. Stop your evil plan. Remember, life have it up and down.
Who is that? Anita.
Is what you read.
The fried egg, right?
What goes around must surely comes around.
No?
Be careful. What goes around
I'm here.
must surely comes around. Be careful.
I'm sure it's your sense of smell that's hurting because of the blind.
Mr. Chris, what is your problem?
Please, next
Mr.
time,
Chris,
fried
the
egg.
one the book get
Oh,
the
there's no egg in the house.
In a miale.
The egg is finished.
Sure, next time.
My stomach!
Annabelle! What is it? What? When did it start?
Help me. Help me to buy medicine for my stomach.
Okay, just hold on.
Hey.
Obi! 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 Please, come. Please, take. Go buy more medicine.
Oh my God.
Anita! Anita! Just go walk me out.
Calm down. You'll be fine, eh? Calm down. See.
So, that chemist person around there.
I think you should call Stella to come and check up on you. I don't know. I don't understand this whole thing, no. Not when anything happens now. She will first of all accuse me first. You calm down now. It's just warm. It might be warm, just relax.
Okay.
What?
Anita! Ah! Jesus! Anita, what is it now? Talk to me. What's going on? What? Chris! Chris! Anita! Anita, no, don't do this to me. What is wrong? Why are you not talking to me, Anita? Chris! Anita!
What is what happened? Anita! Let me get my car. Anita! Let me get my car.
Don't do this to me. What's going on, Anita? Chris.
Yes?
Chris, stop. She's not breathing again.
What do you mean
Chris.
she's not breathing?
Chris, I say she's not breathing. Please stop. My sister is not breathing again.
Okay, hold on.
Chris, stop because she's not breathing again. Please talk to me. Chris, she's not breathing. Chris, she's not breathing. Anita, please talk to me. Don't do this to me. I beg you. Don't do this to me. I beg you. Chris, I don't know to know.
Anita!
She's not breathing. She's not breathing. Chris,
Just hold on.
We need to come down. No, we can't go to the hospital. No. Stop. We need to take her down here. She's not breathing. Oh, no. Please, Anita, don't do this to me.
Anita!
Bring her down.
Anita!
What's going on? Why is Anita not talking to me? What's going on, Chris? Anita!
She's...
No, don't say she's dead. Don't.
Chris,
take her down. No.
She's dead.
No, she's not dead.
You have to calm down.
Please, what am I going to do, Anita? No.
Hey! Hold on. Listen to me. You have to take her to the morgue. She's dead.
What am I going to do? My mother, what am I going to do? My mother, need to take her down, God. No, Anita! Chris, Anita is dead.
Just calm down.
What will I tell my mother that my sister is dead?
Just calm down, Obi. Calm down, okay? We just have to take her to the hospital and deposit her body into the morgue. But Obi, tell me, did you make a mistake?
No, I did not. I'm sure I put it in Anita's tea. I'm so sure I did not.
And she was shouting about her own stomach too. Did you kill your sister?
No, I don't know what happened. I don't know, God.
I don't understand. What do you mean? Just a simple thing I told you to do and you failed?
Chris, I don't know what happened. I don't know.
It's okay.
My sister is dead. I don't know.
Look, we have to go to the hospital now, okay?
No, I can't. I can't go to the hospital, I can't.
Obi, we have to deposit her body into the morgue.
No.
Okay, come. Let's just take her to the hospital, okay? When we get back home, we'll know what's up. It's okay, stop crying.
Please, my sister is dead.
Come.
Be careful what you do. ONENE, be careful what you do. Bend of the road, it's not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza, emegi ya moga digima. Remember, life habits up and down. What you sow is what you reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Mr. Chris, what is your problem?
What happened?
Mr. Chris, the one the book
You people left without saying a word to me. Is everything alright? Chris, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh. Where is Obi and Anita?
What goes around must surely comes around. What goes around must surely comes around.
Anita is dead.
Eh? What? What do you mean dead? Was she sick before she came to live in our house?
I don't know.
What really happened?
You know I don't like it when you ask me this kind of questions.
Jesus Christ.
What is the problem?
Hey.
From one girl to another.
Oga, you mean Anita is dead? Hey!
You have wife at home.
Chimo.
What you sow is what you will reap. Be careful. Steven in fully color. Be careful.
What really happened? Who poisoned Anita? Not Annabelle, but who? We all ate breakfast together. So how did it happen? Could it be this blind woman? No. She's blind, but who? Her sister Obi? Now she has no reason to kill Anita. This is beyond me.
So, I would have been a dead woman by now, lying in the morgue. God, I thank you for saving me. What is he thinking? Planning to kill me? Plan and go ahead with it. But my God will expose you people. He will expose you and save me again. My hands are clean. I brought you into my life to help you. This is what you're using to pay me back? You need to go and comfort her. Go to her room. Comfort her. Say things that will ease the pain in her heart. She needs it now.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Take heart, baby. Take heart. I've been trying to place this whole thing. I don't understand what happened.
God. Chris, what do I tell my mother? That my sister that came to write her exam is dead? That I killed my own sister? I killed my own sister, Chris. Chris, I'm sure I put the poison in Annabelle's tea. I'm sure.
What really happened? How did it turn around?
I don't know. I can't take this. My God, I can't take this. I can't take this.
Look, all we can do now is just take her home and bury her. At least that's the only thing we can do for her.
I can't take this.
It's okay.
I miss my sister. I miss my sister, Chris.
Okay. Obi!
Yes?
Come.
What is it?
I have some dirty clothes in my room. Please help me wash them.
I don't have that time.
What? Excuse you? You don't have time to wash my clothes?
Yes.
The bloody impetus. Are you sick or something?
No, I am not sick. A frustrated blind woman like you have the nerve to call me sick? Now you listen. I am pregnant for Chris. That means we both have equal rights in this house. And for a very long time, I have stopped being the house girl. Okay? So if you need someone to help you do your laundry or babysit your blind self, do yourself good to go get a maid. I am done.
Okay, so because you are pregnant for my man, you think that gives you equal rights in my house? This is my house, in case you didn't know. I inherited this house from my late father. Did you know that?
And so what? Are you the first? Or you think you deserve some round of applause because you inherited your father's property? Now you listen, blind fool. If you as much as disturb me again, if you as much as send me errand again, you will know what I am made of. Nonsense.
What are you made of? What are you made of that I haven't seen before? You harlot. You husband snatcher. What are you made of that you're yet to show me? Because I've pretty much seen it all.
Don't call my name again. Don't.
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. What will you do? I am talking to you. What will you do? Stupid, frustrated, blind woman. Don't disturb me again. Don't try it. I feel like killing you.
The way you killed yourself.
What? Don't touch me. Frustrated, blind woman.
Mommy, what is it? Why is your face like this? Why are you crying?
Obi slapped me.
What? Obi slapped you? Obi is not that harsh. Did you do something stupid?
I only asked her to wash my dirty clothes.
You told the girl that's pregnant for me to wash your dirty clothes. Are you alright? Obi, what happened? Are you crying?
Yes.
Come. Annabelle said you slapped her.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, I slapped her.
What happened?
I slapped her because she insulted me. She insulted me and accused me of killing my own sister.
What?
Simply because she asked me to wash her clothes and I said I would not. Look, you need to tell her I'm no longer a maid in this house, or I am no longer answerable to her. And she needs to understand that we're two pregnant women in this house and we have equal rights.
I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. Okay? Come.
You understand?
She deserves what she got, okay?
She didn't just slap me.
Oh.
She focused on hitting my stomach.
She did what?
She said that she'll make sure the baby in her womb never survive. And she wants to kill my baby.
I never did all this.
Yes.
Annabelle, you are wicked. Annabelle, you are a bad person. Annabelle! Oh, Annabelle, they told me you are a witch, but I did not believe it. Annabelle, so you know she's pregnant for me, eh? And you went on hitting her on her stomach. You want to kill my child. Eh, Annabelle?
Chris,
Oh.
please, do not yell at me because of your harlots.
If you ever open your mouth and call her a harlot again, I will kill you. What nonsense.
That was a hot slap. Because of a maid? Chris?
Look, she's no longer a maid in this house. She's carrying my child.
And whose child am I carrying? If not yours too? What has come over you? When did you become this monster? You! Chris! I picked you from the gutter where you were nothing but a roadside mechanic. I gave you a bath. Took you in and now you are somebody. You said you loved me. We were even going to get married before this unfortunate incident that took my sight. You made me so many promises. Where are those promises, Chris? Because I don't recognize who you are anymore.
Hey, enough of this talk. Look, let me let you know something. Annabelle, I can't marry a blind woman. Okay? I would never marry a blind woman. It's fine, baby. Okay. I've dealt with her. Okay? Fair? I've decided to put her in her place. It's even fine she found out you're pregnant. Look, you're no longer working as a maid. Okay? You both have equal rights in this house. Right?
Babe, she even said that this house belongs to her. That we're staying in her house.
Yes. But it will be ours soon, okay? I'm working on getting the papers.
It's okay, my love. So tell me, what do you want to eat? Let me go and make food for you.
I just want you to chill for me. Just chill.
I want to tell that woman to stay away from me. She
Sorry.
should stop stressing me. I'm pregnant.
Sorry.
The test result says that you are okay and your baby too. But going by what you told me that happened yesterday, I think you should walk away from that marriage before it begins. You know, you have to send them out of your house. You owe him nothing. Yes. Since he got the maid pregnant, it's obvious that he's not going to marry you.
Doctor, I know what I am doing. Please tell me, how many months before I deliver?
We are in 13 weeks now and you have 5 months more.
The moment I put to bed, I will send them away.
Why waiting for this long?
I have my reasons. And I believe you know my reasons.
Anyway, it's fine.
What has come over you? Elby, when did you become this person?
Maybe I have always been this person when you fail to notice it. Look, Stella, you have tried your best by bringing me here. Thank you. But you know my story. You know my mother. My mother is a single mother that needs help. So now that I find myself in this place, do you expect me to go back to poverty?
Hell no! You're even referring me as Stella.
Is that not your name?
Calling me by name Stella. You don't have respect anymore. You don't want to go back to poverty, Obi. But you're here making another woman's life miserable in her own home.
How?
You're asking me how?
You're
pregnant for her man.
And so?
You eat her food.
And so?
You live in her house.
And so
And both you and her husband lavish her money and you stand there to ask me how?
Oh, please. I beg. Look.
Oh, jeez.
I'm just trying to make a living for myself. Okay?
Really?
Yes. I'm trying so hard to become the woman I want to be in the future. Unlike you, that does not mind your business. So just avoid me. Mind your business. I'm not the reason. Stop coming to this house because of me.
I can see you're crazy. I am so disappointed in you.
I
regret the day I brought you to this house.
What is going on here?
My love. Madam Advisor is trying to advise me.
Oh, I see. Do you need advice?
No.
She doesn't need your advice.
So when you were done, use the gates. Disgusting old witch. Rubbish. I love us going.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. Bend of the road. It's not the end of the road. Makana ipi meloyaza.
And nobody came to call me.
Remember, I have it up and down.
Obi, where is my own food? Obi, is Obi here?
What goes around?
I beg you.
Yes.
No, this food. Where is my own? I was perceiving the aroma from upstairs.
There's no food for you.
What kind of joke is that? Where is my food? Is it in the kitchen?
It's not a joke. There is no food for you in the kitchen. There is no food for you in this house. Stop.
How? Why will I start when there's food? Please, I'm hungry. Give me food to eat, please.
Look, Annabelle, if you want to eat, take your blind self to the kitchen and make something really nice for you to eat. But this food I made, you will not eat it.
Please. You know I can't. Oh, that the blind woman cannot cook. Please.
Oh, now you know that you're blind. The other day you were sharpening mouths, insulting me, calling me names. You didn't know you're blind and handicapped, Abby? You didn't know? No problem. Stay there and starve. If it's this food, you will not eat it.
See, if you want to eat something, you can go and make yourself something. If you can't, then starve.
I hope you like the food.
So
nice. I told you I'm making so delicious.
I trust you.
I make the best dishes.
Be careful what you do. Be careful what you do. Bend of the road. It's not the end of the road. Makana ipi meloyaza. Emegi ya moga digima. Remember, life have it up and down. What you sow is what you reap. What goes around must surely comes around.
Now that we're alone in this house, this is the perfect time to do this. Before Chris comes back from work, everything would have been over. This will be enough to cause her miscarriage.
Mr. Chris, what is your problem? Mr. Chris, the one the book get the so boogie. Ina woyale ogene bunso bugi o okem asimo gene bunso bugi o kai malono gino biagele akuo. What you sow you will reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Just remember the hand that feed you. Never you bite the heart. what you do. Bend of the road, it's not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza, emeki ya moga digima. Remember, I have it up and down.
I made really nice noodles for you with boiled egg. I know how much you love eggs. Now please, I really want to say that I'm sorry for what happened yesterday. I was angry. And I've come to realize that you're a woman like me. And I shouldn't treat you badly. I also promise to talk to Chris when he comes back. We're both women and we should be treated specially. Please, ma, forgive me. I'm so sorry.
Bobby.
Yes, ma.
Are you really the one saying all these things?
Because I'm really sorry, ma.
Don't get me wrong, I am happy to hear them. Indeed, I am your fellow woman and you should be nice to me. I forgive you. I forgive you for all the wrongs you ever did to me. I forgive you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Okay, God bless you too. Eat up. Finish everything. Don't worry about me. I left some for myself in the kitchen.
Oh.
Yes, let me go and have my bath. Okay, if you need anything, just call my name. I'll be here to attend to you. Thank you so much, ma.
Thank
God
you
bless
so
you,
much.
ma.
Thank you so much. You are so kind.
Enjoy your meal.
I will.
Remember, like having up and
Very smells good.
is what you read. What goes around must surely comes around. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Mr. Chris, what is your problem? Mr. Chris, the one the both get even so boogie. Ina miale, ina woyale, again even so boogie, oh, okay. I see again even so boogie, oh, time alone. Gina Piagelia, what so you will reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Just remember they had that with you. Never you bite the hand. Stop your evil plan. Be careful what you do. One man. Be careful what you do. Bend of the road, it's not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonaza, emeki ya moga digima. Remember, life have it up and down. What you sow is what you reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Mr. Chris, what is your problem? Mr. Chris, the one the both get even so boogie. Ina miale, ina woyale. Again, even so boogie, oh, okay. I see again, even so boogie, oh. Time alone. Gina Piagelia, what so you will reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes be careful what you do. One man, be careful what you do.
I hope you enjoyed all this.
You're a good cook. Thank you.
Thank you.
Today is the day that your child will die. Whatever you have in mind as you've given me this food will come back to you.
Mr. Chris, what is your problem? Mr. Chris, the one the book get the so boogie. Ina miale, ina woyale, again ebun so boogie okay. Asim again ebun so boogie oh. Time alone, gina pia gelia kuo, so you will reap.
From your body. Oga don't enjoy you.
Chris!
Did Oga enjoy you inside here? What did I go do? Madam no dey see. Madam no dey see. Oga no dey house. Can we go inside? Make I check what happen inside. Eh? Hi. What I go do? Make I call Oga. And Madam no dey see.
She's fine, okay? Just don't worry about it. She actually eats poison.
Poison? How?
Yes, that's by the way. She'll be fine, okay? But the problem is that she lost the pregnancy.
What?
I see.
Chris? You people are back.
Yes. The enemies are failed, okay? Don't worry.
How is she feeling now?
What were you expecting? And what were you expecting, you witch?
All I know is anyone that will spring bad prayers for me in this house, my God will punish them and expose them.
Bad prayers? Did she say bad prayers? Obi, Obegali, who is praying bad prayers for you?
Ewe! Nkate budo yawo. The basket of wahala is now on the head of the person plotting wahala. Hey God, Chim Dalo. My God, you saved me yet again from another death trap. Obviously, the evil men did now lives with them. Carry your cross. I dodged yet another bullet. I jumped and passed that pit. You fell into the pit that you dug for me. It serves you right. Let's be watching. I'm here at Alat. Nothing mega.
Chris? Chris?
Yes?
Could have sworn I heard Obi's voice. Is she in this place?
Yes, Obi is here.
Eh?
Yeah, I forgot to tell you.
That?
You would have to sleep in Obi's room or the sitting room. We lost our baby and had to take care of her. Yeah.
Excuse me? What did you just say? That I should sleep where? So that who will sleep where? In my bedroom? You lie. Chris, you lie.
Annabelle!
What is it?
Annabelle, look, I don't want to get mad this night. Please, calmly go to the sitting room and sleep. Okay?
Me, calmly. Obi, calmly leave.
Annabelle!
What did she do?
Annabelle, look.
Get up and
Hey,
get out.
Annabelle,
This is my room.
listen to me, Annabelle. Look, I don't want to get angry, okay? I don't need anything blind staying close to me. Don't you understand? I'm not in a good mood. So if you know what's good for you, just calmly go to the sitting room and sleep, okay?
You don't want anything blind. And that's me.
Chris,
me!
Get out!
Me, Annabelle! You talk to me like this! You treat me like this because of this girl! Because of this girl, Chris, you did this to me! I'm not going anywhere!
Annabelle!
I am not going anywhere!
Get out of
this
room.
Is my room!
Look.
It's God that will punish you!
Annabelle, leave.
God will punish you! God! Get your hands up!
Annabelle!
I'm not going anywhere! This is my room!
Annabelle, leave!
Leave me alone! Chris, leave me alone! This is my room! I'm not going anywhere! I'm not going anywhere!
Leave!
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I mean, Chris! Leave me alone!
Get up!
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
Get into the nonsense. Come on, get out of this room. What nonsense is this?
God will punish you! You did this to me! God will punish you!
I know.
Babe, I'm sorry about that, okay?
It's fine. Thank you for pushing her out. I don't know why this man will not just respect herself and let us be.
I don't know, I don't understand.
So she's always trying to ruin our sweet moments.
It's okay, it's okay. Hassan. What's I still showing?
Be careful what you do. One man, be careful what you do.
Annabelle, I want to get to the market to get foodstuffs.
Good. Can I have my ATM card, please?
Why?
I think it's time you stopped spending my money.
You must be mad with this blind woman.
Please, if you as much as spend a dime more out of my money, you will see my true colors. You will see my true colors. Let me have my card.
Bring it on, blind woman.
Mr. Chris, what is your problem? Mr. Chris, you want the book, get the so boogie. Ina miale, ina woyale, magene bun so boogie, okay. Asimo gene bun so boogie.
Stella, it's time. I need you to come to my house right now. I'll be waiting.
Hey, Annabelle, I'm here. You sent for me. What is it?
It's time. I have to act now and I have to act fast.
Good. So where do you start from now?
There is no time to waste. I have to start right away. And the first step is I want you to take me to the bank.
Okay. To secure your money, right?
Yes. I need to block my ATM card and secure the rest of my money.
Beautiful.
Hey, we forgot to buy the dress we wanted to get on the road.
Which one?
The one I told you to buy before we got busy.
Oh, I forgot that one. Okay, you know what? We'll get it next time. Okay?
Next time?
Maybe next time we'll go out
baby,
now.
Come on, someone else will go and buy it. Look, I'll wait for you tomorrow morning. Please.
Okay, fine.
Thank
Go and drop
you.
this stuff. I can go pick it up.
Okay.
Alright. I'm waiting for you.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Thank you.
Okay, easy. Okay, let's sit here. You see? Whew. Alright, you know what? We are home. So just relax and I'll be on my way out.
I'll come and see you next time, okay?
Sit down. I have a surprise for you.
Okay, you know I love surprises, so what is it? Tell me.
I can see you.
What?
I was never blind. I can see you.
Please don't scare me.
I can see you. I was never blind. It was all a plan.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Are you serious? Jeez!
Sit down.
Wow! Annabelle! So, all this time it's been a pretense?
Yes, indeed.
Jeez! Oh my god! I'm so excited! Jeez!
Stella, as you know, I am an orphan.
Oh, I know.
I lost my parents to a ghastly motor accident. And since their death, I've been fighting for survival. My only uncle, who ought to be my remaining family member, did a lot to eliminate my life. But he failed. And here I am still surviving. I got lonely in my journey. I met Chris and I fell head over heels in love with him. I thought he was the one for me. I was willing to walk down the altar with him and share my whole world with him. Then came the accident. It was an unfortunate incident, but I used it to test Chris, to find out if indeed he is for real. I love him genuinely, but I needed to be sure he loved me genuinely. And so I began to pretend to be blind. And boy, my eyes saw a lot.
Wow. Oh my god. I'm still trying to catch my breath. Really, Annabelle, you can see me. Okay, are you still going to continue pretending to them?
Go home, Stella.
Okay.
You'll hear from me. And when you do, it will be good news, I promise you.
It's already good news. Like, you can see me. Oh my god. I'll be going. Because this one is good news already for me. I'll be on my way. Oh my god. So, wait, what am I wearing? What am I wearing? Tell me.
Are you serious?
Trouser, skirt.
Orange jumpsuit.
Oh my gosh, she can see. I'll see you, I'll see you.
Annabelle! Annabelle!
Yes?
Annabelle, why are you wicked? Wait, Annabelle, you are blind and you are wicked. So this is how you want to embarrass me? Eh? Hey, Annabelle! You went to block the ATM card. Not only that, you went to the bank to block our bank account. Are you mad or something?
Go and make your own money. Chris, go and make your own money like your fellow men. How about that?
Annabelle, you must be mad. You are a very mad woman, Annabelle. You must be very... Annabelle, you have every right to talk to me.
Yes.
You must...
Yes.
You... Annabelle!
Kill that thing.
Go!
Stop. Kill that thing.
Be careful what you do.
Annabelle, I need the other ATM. I want to get some money.
I don't have ATM. And I don't have money either.
Annabelle, don't get me angry this morning. I didn't come here to come and start having an argument with you. I need the ATM.
Chris, I understand you're frustrated and you really want to spend my money. But there is no money for you.
Annabelle, I need the ATM. Don't you get it? Some people did something for me and I need to pay them.
Oh, who are the people? Your document forgers? Your lawyer whom you have paid or who you want to pay to forge my house documents, the ownership documents, company documents and my trust fund documents? You want to pay them for the forgery? There's no money.
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about.
Look, Annabelle, don't change the topic. I need the ATM right now. Don't let me force it out of you, Annabelle. Annabelle.
Try to force
Annabelle, I need the ATM.
Nothing will make me give you ATM.
Annabelle, don't get me angry this morning.
What will you do?
I will hit you,
Get your
Annabelle.
hands off me.
Annabelle.
Hit her again. Hit her
Die for
stomach
you.
again.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, just be calm. Come.
My stomach!
Madam! Jesus! Madam, what is it?
My stomach!
Madam,
My stomach! Sorry.
Doctor.
Okay.
Well done, doctor.
How is she doing?
She's fine, but she's still sleeping.
Alright. She will be fine when she wakes up.
Doctor, how are you going to pass the message to her?
Is it about the miscarriage?
Yes.
Don't worry. I will do that professionally.
It's alright.
When did you know about
About what exactly, doctor?
her sight?
Oh, that. Yesterday. And doctor, come to think of it, so you hid this from me. You planned with her to hide this from me.
It was her wish, and I have to honor it. She wants to see if her man is real. Okay? I have to be in my office.
Okay. Doctor.
Okay, alright.
Okay. She's awake. Where am I? Stella? You're fine. You are at the hospital right now, okay? Hospital? Yes. You actually had a fight with Chris and you fainted, so we had to rush you here.
Just hold the leg. Come down on here.
Easy.
Oh. Just hold there, hold there. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
What? Where's my pump? Calm down. Doctor, see, the doctor is here. He's going to explain. Doctor, please explain to her, please. What's going on? Just relax. What happened to my baby?
I'm sorry. The fight affected it.
What?
See, we don't have any other option but to save your life.
Exactly.
We have to get rid of the baby. We are sorry.
It's okay.
Okay.
What? You did?
Just relax.
What?
I will make you understand. Okay?
It's for your life. I wanted to save your life. No! Please
No, just...
Doctor, please. No! Doctor, please do something. Don't let her cry. Please.
Yes!
No, please don't cry.
Sorry, okay?
Look, babe. You shouldn't have let her friend take her to the hospital. You shouldn't.
If I don't, she will die. The two of us go to jail for murder.
So what happens if she comes back? What happens next?
Life continues. By next week, the house papers and the company papers will be ready. Then we can kill her in her sleep. You know, make it look like she died in her sleep. Yeah, we could use the pillow to kill her.
Babe, that is so dumb. If we do that, the doctors will get autopsy and they will know she died suffocating.
So what's your plan?
Look, this is my plan, right? We are going to kill her and bury her where nobody will find her. Then, if we're being asked, we'll say she went out with her friend and she never came back. That way her friend will blame for her disappearance. But first, we need to fire the gate man because we don't need any witness in the compound. Sounds cool?
Sounds like a perfect plan.
Mm-hmm.
I think I love that plan.
Be careful what you do. ONENE, be careful what you do. Bend of the road is not the end of the road. Makana ipi melonyaza emegi ya mogadigima. Remember, life habits up and down. What you sow is what you reap. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. What goes around must surely comes around. Be careful. Mr. Chris, what is your problem? Mr. Chris, man, the book, you're so boogie. Ina miale, ina woyale, magene puso boogie, okay. Asi magene puso boogie, kai malono.
What is the meaning of all this?
this?
Annabelle, who are these people? Oh, okay, this woman has gone to cook up stories and brought you guys here. Eh? You must be out of your mind. This blind woman is such an ingrate. Annabelle.
I'm Barrister Cosmos, Annabelle's lawyer. Are you done, Mr. Chris? If you are done, I want you to take your mate of a love out of this compound this minute. If I can charges against you and get you arrested.
Barrister.
Oh my God.
On what charges, please? Because last I checked, I've done nothing wrong. Eh? So, on what charges, please?
Annabelle was never blind. She simply wanted to know if you care and love her, or you actually want her money. But she was right never to trust you.
Doctor, if I didn't know you, I'd have said you're speaking gibberish. What? You were the one who confirmed that blind. As you can see, she can't see anything.
Well, as you can see, Chris, I can see you too. I was never blind.
Jesus.
Do you see me? Because I see you.
Annabelle.
I see you too.
Annabelle.
Surprised, aren't you? Well, well, well. So if indeed I was blind, this is how you would have screwed me over. With this stupid bitch? You made several attempts on my life. So if I was blind, chances are you would have succeeded with your wicked antics. You poisoned me. Severally. You made tea for me, but you put poison in it. Baby, I saw that.
Yes.
I saw you putting it. And when you left, I smartly exchanged my tea with your sister's tea. She drank it and died. You know, one would think that you would give up after your sister died. But no. You had no anger for me that only poison can quench. Which you came to apologize to me. Pretend now you're your fellow woman. And then poison noodles and serve me. Your plan was that the baby in my womb dies. I switched it. I made sure you ate that one. And what happened afterwards? The baby in your womb was affected. You lost the baby, didn't you? That was the exact plan that she had for me. Karma is a bitch. A bloody bitch. What do you say now, baby? How do you like me now? I saw you. All those times you were kissing and frolicking with her, grabbing her ass.
Annabelle.
I was seeing you.
Annabelle.
Shut up.
Annabelle,
I've had just about enough from you two. And right now, all I want more than any other thing in this world is for you two to get the hell out of my father's house. Get out! I mean, get out of my house! Take nothing, because nothing that is in this house belongs to you two. Out.
Hello, mister. You hear her?
Well, you did a wonderful offer. I appreciate it.
Out.
Thank you.
Annabelle, please, just listen to me.
Hello.
Get out!
Can you walk?
Let's do your job.
Criminals!
Annabelle,
Shame on you.
Annabelle.
Explain your head. Witch. Stupid idiots.
So, madam, you were not blind? No. Hey! Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
No. Let's go inside. Please close that gate. They should not come into this place. Annabelle.
Finally, welcome back home. Home sweet home. Exactly.
I think my work here is done. I have to go.
Annabelle!
Thank you, Barrister.
Me too. My pleasure.
Thank you so much, guys.
Yeah.
God bless
See you soon.
Thank you, Doctor.
Take care of you.
I will. Alright, Doctor. Take care. Bye.
Annabelle, what is it? Why are you sad? You should be happy. Everything is done now. Talk to me now. What is it, Annabelle?
I have to start all over again. I have to start life afresh and seek out new love. This betrayal is heavy in my heart. First it was my uncle, who wanted me dead by all means. And then now Chris. The lesson I have gotten from this Chris incident can last me a lifetime. Stella, if not for you,
It's okay.
what would I have done?
It's okay. It's okay. All this Chris thing, Obi thing, they're all in the past now. Even your uncle's stuff, everything is in the past now. Okay? It's okay. I have learned from your experience. Life indeed can be really cruel. You know, every woman should be very careful with the men they get themselves involved with. Same goes to the men. All attempts on your life were made by Obi. That girl was so desperate. And Chris trusted her blindly without knowing what she was doing behind him.
Well, thank God for the wisdom He gave me to have pretended to be blind.
God forbid. Blindness is never my friend's portion, nor anybody's.
No, it's not my portion.
Amen.
Amen.
Wipe those tears. I don't want to see you cry anymore. It's okay. I understand how you feel, but I'm here now. See, cheer up. I'm glad you're home. Mwah. Let me go fix something for you.
Be careful what you do. One man, be careful what you do. Remember,